Yep, that it was all quiet this morning until I started to get my phone job interview, and now look what they're doing. Now all of a sudden they need to work, but otherwise, look at how beautiful this is. I had another I had another video that I uploaded, but I was forced to take it down to make room for I didn't get to upload it yet, but I had to take it down to make room for in order to make room for, you know, to download the app for a new job. All this heavy harassment now because you wait till I got a job interview. I'm see that man is trying to hide behind that green thing. But all this noise campaign, noise harassment when I got a phone interview. Now it was all quiet. Now they need to work. Look what they're doing. The guy in the white shirt. Damn demonic, idiot, fake crusty idiot. Showing off and doing it on purpose. How the hell is that a car that sounds like that? I could never catch the Blue Angels. The planes. Well, I guess there they go. Wait, where are they? Does they go close up? Move. That's the Blue Angels planes that everybody get excited about. I finally got them on camera. They don't want us targeted individuals to enjoy nothing.